Monster truck wheel damage.
I'm the fastest racer ever! Move aside! Don't block my way! Watch out! I might bump you! No one can catch me! Oh, what's happening? My wheel is out of control! Oh no! Oh! No!
A monster truck is asking for help. Let's go! Welcome. Your big wheel has been pierced by a nail. Let's go to the repair room.
Yes! I think something sharp hit my wheel. Can you help me?
Of course. Don't worry. I'll replace the broken parts and fix the damage. Driving too fast is very dangerous.
I was driving too fast, so I didn't watch the road carefully.
Let's change this tire first. The nail is stuck inside. Let's pull. Now let's fix the hole in the tire. The dents need to be smoothed out. This paint needs to be sprayed again. You look much cooler now. Finally, wax and polish. All done. You look like new.
Wow! I look awesome now! Thank you so much, TinkerBot!
Remember to keep a safe driving speed.
Okay, I will drive safely from now on. Thank you very much, TinkerBot.
That sounds great. You're always welcome at the TinkerBot repair shop.
I will come again. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.